guys, we are at Micro Center now. We're getting ready to go inside to get a Bambu A1 Mini to give away on the 5K live stream when we get there. Here we go.
Aisle 48, aisle 48. Ding, 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 ding. Who's aisle 48? I just said that. It's like, who's ever been in a Micro Center? Guys, check it out. Holy moly, the people. Excuse me.
Sorry about that.
It's a
Where are they? This is 48. I see any cubic. We got Creality. We've got any cubic. Jerry went down the wrong aisle.
49.
Bamboo. Any cubic, any cubic, any cubic. And we found it, y'all. Jerry zoomed in his face. Here we go. This is what we're picking up today.
This is AMS.
Except we're going to grab the combo set
Can
here.
you grab us one of these?
Yeah, sure.
You want to give me your little card? Yeah, sure. I know how this works. Sure.
So we had to drive about an hour to come pick this up because I don't want to pay shipping. And it's my birthday, so we're just going to have fun with it. This is like an awesome deal on a printer right now.
So
You cannot beat $350. It's awesome sauce. And the wall of filament. If you're fortunate enough to live here, you can just pick up your own. What I really think is pretty awesome, Cookie Cat has her own line in Micro Center. How bougie is that, y'all? That is awesome. Laptops and computers. This is what I want right here. This bad boy. That thing looks immaculate. It's also not cheap. But this I want in my bedroom. Jeremy just found the Raspberry Pi station. Raspberry Pi Haven. Which now they actually have in stock. Because last time we were here, they didn't have any. They only had a Raspberry Pi t-shirt. And there was one left that Jeremy got.
yeah.
Raspberry Pi. So, for anyone who has never been to a Micro Center, dude, it's definitely worth a trip. It's massive. Really, really tempted. It is my birthday, isn't it? Can I just charge it? This thing is so pretty. Okay, so this may have just made my mind up for me. And we're loaded. Locked and loaded.
2 balls.